Right here?
Oh,
it's that thing. It's that thing right there. Look at it.
Oh yeah, the heartworm.
It's like a tentacle worm thing. I can deserve that.
Oh my god.
What is it? Oh, head! Head!
Oh no.
I'm so sorry.
No!
I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry.
Y'all sound like you're getting fucked up.
The witch is dead.
You know what this clock is saying?
Ding dong, the bitch is dead.
Which one of them is the bitch?
I was just about to say it. I don't know which one's gonna be the bitch.
Excuse me.
They're both dead though. I don't know. Maybe Faye because she got me killed.
Oh, damn.
See?
Hey Sorn, do we want to just go ahead and send this so we can get them back?
Oh my god!
Wait, we can't do it yet?
Yeah, we can, yeah.
Wait, who has a trank gun? We can throw him in the hole,
I
right?
don't have it anymore because
Oh.
someone
Killed me.
Oh, no.
We can go find it.
Yeah,
I'll
they'll
go
be
find it.
blue
That'd be
unless
really
it's
cool.
in the hole. No!
Oh, no.
No!
Press Q? Oh, fuck.
I'm back, Chewie. I died again.
Oh. Oh my god.
What just happened? Do you not watch when you're walking?
I'm so sorry.
Oh my gosh. Faye is a hazard tonight.
Hi.
Oh, oh my god.
Here, take this shit. Watch where you're walking.
Who's new map?
That fucker go.
What happened?
Did we lose the cart?
Oh
Did we lose the cart?
no, you did not. Oh no. Destiny.
Oh no. What are we gonna do?
Oh no. You guys kicked me.
What the
Are
fuck
you
is
kidding
this?
me? You guys died?
What did you want to?
What a great.
What did you want to?
Ashley was in it.
Oh.
Oh. Oh no.
I'm not pushing the cart.
I was gonna
Trust
say,
you.
I was gonna say, how come you're not in the card? I'm trying to grab your head. I can't grab it. Oh no.
What's up? Oh shit.
Oh, I gotta rotate it.
You sound like you were taking the
Janice, you
biggest dump of your life. Teaching her
She's
lesson.
not. She's
Oh, I'm
not
sorry,
deafened.
but it was okay for you to put Ash in a hole and let Lauren kill everyone multiple times. Yeah.
Christ, did she die?
Yeah.
Yeah, well.
Why isn't it working?
No!
Okay.
No! No!
Grab it, press E, toggle it.
How much battery do you got on that gun?
Enough. How do I drop it? Here, can you do it?
Fuck!
Destiny.
This is why we can't have nighttime, guys.
Yeah, probably.
I know.
Right on top.